Before we dive in, if you want weekly insights on finance, AI, and business that give you a real edge, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming. Let's get into it.
We're living through the most transformative year in artificial intelligence history. 2026 isn't just another year, it's the inflection point where AI stops being a tool and becomes a teammate. What's actually happening right now? Let's break it down. If you told someone 5 years ago that AI would be writing code, creating movies, and diagnosing diseases better than experts, they'd call you crazy. But here we are in 2026, and that's just Tuesday. I'm going to show you the 5 biggest AI breakthroughs happening this year that are reshaping our world, and why this matters more than you think. Forget chatbots. 2026 is the year AI agents actually do things for you. We're talking about AI that books your flights, negotiates your bills, manages your calendar, and even handles your emails while you sleep. Companies like Anthropic, OpenAI, and Google have released AI agents that can navigate websites, use software, and complete multi-step tasks autonomously. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Your new coworker? It's AI. And it never takes vacation. Education is being revolutionized. Every student now has access to a personal AI tutor that adapts to their learning style, pace, and interests. Struggling with calculus? Your AI breaks it down in 10 different ways until it clicks. Want to learn Mandarin? Your AI creates custom lessons based on your goals. The achievement gap is shrinking because world-class education is no longer limited by geography or income. We're watching the democratization of knowledge in real time. This one's massive. AI is now designing new drugs in months instead of decades. In 2026, we've seen AI discover treatments for rare diseases, optimize cancer therapies, and even predict protein structures that stumped scientists for years. AlphaFold and similar systems have accelerated medical research by an order of magnitude. We're not just saving time, we're saving lives. The next breakthrough cure might be designed by an algorithm. Here's where it gets interesting. AI isn't replacing human creativity, it's amplifying it. Musicians are collaborating with AI to create new genres. Filmmakers are using AI to generate entire scenes. Writers are bouncing ideas off AI partners. The keyword? Partnership. The best work in 2026 comes from humans and AI working together, each bringing their unique strengths to the table. Now, let's be real. This isn't all sunshine. We're facing serious questions about job displacement, privacy, misinformation, and who controls these powerful systems. Regulation is struggling to keep pace. Not every company is using AI responsibly, and we're still figuring out how to ensure AI benefits everyone, not just those who can afford it. The technology is advancing faster than our ability to govern it, and that's a problem we need to solve. So here's the bottom line. 2026 is the year AI became truly useful in everyday life. It's messy, it's exciting, it's a little scary, but it's happening.
The question isn't whether AI will change your life. It's whether you'll adapt and use it to your advantage. The future isn't coming, it's already here. What are you going to do with it?
If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that subscribe button. The AI revolution is just getting started, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.
If this opened your eyes to new possibilities, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and hit the like button for more breakdowns on finance, AI, and business strategy every week. See you in the next one.